LordSage Sadi TV. Cactus thrive with good light sources, and it is best to place them in a bright place. A south-facing position will provide good sunlight, but don't put them in direct sunlight because the intense light can make your cactus plants turn a yellow color. In Feng Shui, cactus is one of the lucky plants to be placed in the front door. Good Feng Shui placement of cactus plants protects people from negative energy. Place your cactus plants in the south-facing position front door to attract money, and more money.